Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have filmed this intro like 8 times now. I can't get it right, so this is the last time I'm going to try. You will hear a helicopter in the sky. You will hear a saw going on over there. I don't know what is going on. We do live by an airport, but a tiny airport, so there's not very many airplanes that come through, but today there's 2 in the sky right now. So guys, I'm sorry, but hi, if you're new here, my name is Crystal. I am participating in the DIY thrift store challenge with Heidi Sonboul today, and I am so excited about it. It really made me go out of my comfort zone, made me think outside the box, because first of all, I don't shop at the thrift store, not for any other reason than I never find anything there. And the thrift stores in Idaho, where I live anyway, are bad. They're just horrible. They never have anything and they're so overpriced. I'm gonna show you what I bought and how much I paid for it, and you're gonna be like, girl, you can get that at the store for new. I know, but so I picked up this basket. It was $4.99, and I love fall and I love buffalo plaid. So guess what we're gonna do to that little basket? It's gonna be so cute. A lot of people put mums in there. That's what I do a lot of times. But I also thought it'd be cute, filled with pumpkins. Really, lots of things you can do with this. This is a pretty big size one, but I know last year in the Target dollar spot they had some smaller ones, so they'll have lots of these out. I know right now at Michael's they have them, so you can do this, and that's the joy. I always hate watching thrift store videos, and I'm like, I want to do that, but I won't be able to find that in my thrift store. So anyway, long story short, go get you one of these at Michael's. You probably paid about the same amount as I did at the thrift store, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so my basket is white now. Yesterday we had a little bit of a mishap, and so I'm starting with a white basket. I'll tell you the reason why when I'm done. But so paint your basket all the way white. I have used both acrylic paint and spray paint. So what's on top is spray paint, and I'm going to take my acrylic paint and do the lines. I'm going to use gray with like half white. You'll see. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so all I'm doing is painting the big strap of wood and then the inner part, every other 2. So these 2 will be gray and these 2 will be gray. You can't really tell that I'm using gray because it's quite light, but I am. Show this right here. It is gray. And then I'm not doing it perfect because this basket is not perfect, and if I did, it would look silly. So kind of sloppily just painting it on, and then I will come back and I will show you what I'm gonna do after I get done with this. Okay, so I've done all of the lines going vertically. Now I'm going to do the lines going horizontally. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this piece of wood and this piece of wood as my guides. And so this one obviously is thicker, so I'm just gonna take my brush and make lines going this way, the width of my brush. And then on this one, it is kind of like the width of my brush, but this one's like 2 widths, so I'm gonna go above and below to do the horizontal lines.
Let's start.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the black, and what you're gonna do is on all of the solid grays in the on the ones that you painted all solid, you are going to do a square up here, black, here, and then on the bottom. So I'm gonna start on the bottom and show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, we're back. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. These DIY videos I am learning are not easy to film, especially by myself. I actually have my daughter help me film this, so we're gonna give her a little bit of a shout out. But if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I will respond. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. It's kind of like one of those things where it's kind of hard to envision what you're doing, but once you start doing it, it makes so much sense. So, but what you didn't see is the mishap that I made yesterday. I painted the whole thing white, and then I did all the black stripes, and it just did not turn out right. So I repainted everything white, which you saw at the beginning of this video, and then did the gray first, and then went over the top with the black. And I think that that worked out perfect. It's exactly what I was hoping for. And I cannot wait to put this on my porch with a big mum in it for the fall. So if you are coming over from the challenge, I hope that you will subscribe and stick around and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will leave Heidi's channel in the description box, along with the playlist if you want to check out everybody else's videos, because there are so many talented women out there. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. See you later.